Hi, my name is Mike. I'm coming to you today from MarineMax in Somers Point, New Jersey. I'd like to show you our brand new Scout 235 Dorado. This boat is a brand new model for Scout, and I'm anxious to have you see it. Come on aboard. I wanted to start with the stern of the boat and show you this swim platform. It's a very nice size. It allows you to walk from both the starboard side to the port side without any problems. Boat's equipped with a Mercury Dorado 300 horsepower engine. As you come through the walk-through of the boat, you're going to see there's some cup holders and rod holders here in the back, as well as a live well. This boat is unique because it has hybrid usage. You can use it for either fishing or for family cruising. In the family configuration, you have two pop-out seats, one in the stern and one on the port. Along with this seat, in this configuration with the backrest facing aft. If you wanted to go fishing, all you have to do is push the seats back in, and now you have a fishing configuration. This seat comes with a cooler, which drains overboard. You got two cup holders over here. The backrest on this seat flips in the opposite direction, so it can face forward. Then you can turn this seat around here on the port side, and they have a unique pop-up table, which you can use when you're out cruising. On the starboard side here, we have a sink, cutting board, and also a nice area where you can stick some of your valuables. We also have a 12-volt plug here, so you can charge your phone if you wanted to, and a Yeti cooler below. At the helm, you'll see that both the starboard and port side seats have flip-up bolsters. This boat's equipped with the Garmin GPS, Mercury vessel view screen, and it also has the trim tabs with the visual cues. This boat also is equipped with the Fusion stereo system and an Edson steering wheel. A little storage here area also. You can store some valuables if you want. I want to point out from the inside here, this boat was designed with the new fully integrated wraparound windshield, which is just beautiful. Really helps set the boat off. This boat also has a T-top. There is an optional hardtop for this boat as well. More storage over here on the port side with another 12-volt plug. For a 23-foot boat, this boat is also equipped with a generous size enclosed head. There's a windscreen that you can close in the event of nasty weather. Then you close the windshield and you're fully protected. Up in the bow area of the boat, we've got plenty of seating with fold down armrests, two generous sized coolers that drain overboard, cup holders abound, and we also have a storage locker for the anchor up front as well. JL audio speakers, and in the front here we also have combination cup holders that also act as rod holders. So this has been our walkthrough today of the Scout 235 Dorado, a brand new model for Scout boats. The boat is beautiful. It's got a midnight blue hull. If you have any questions or you'd like to stop by and see it, my name is Mike here in Somers Point, New Jersey. Our phone number is 609-926-0600.